wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best wood fillers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Far removed from an elementary glue stick, Elmer's Carpenters is a versatile choice that comes in 6 different shades, making color matching much simpler. Like most of their products, it's easy to apply as well as clean up. It resists shrinking and cracking and costs just a few dollars. However, it's not intended for structural support. At number 9, Minwax High Performance is a trusted solution for cracks in high-end furniture and worn-down molding. It's particularly easy to use because it's ready for sanding in just half an hour, and once cured, it's firm enough to be carved, planed or screwed into. It works great atop minwax hardener and comes with a small tube of catalyst, but it is a bit more costly than most. Coming in at number 8 on our list. From a household name in adhesives, JB Weld Kwikwood can patch up screw holes in a finished veneer just as well as it can restore strength to a damaged table leg. It's a 2-part epoxy that mixes easily in the tips of your fingers and sets in under 30 minutes. It's fully cured in an hour and totally free of solvents. It's strong enough to drill and tap into. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wood fillers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, you can tell from the can that Donald Durham's rock-hard putty has been in use for a while, and anything with such staying power is bound to be a quality product. It comes as a can of powder, ready for custom mixing to suit your exact project. It's also great for drywall and concrete and has an incredibly long shelf life, but it doesn't quite mimic natural wood. Moving up our list to number 6. A departure from standard grain treatments, solarez UV cures not by evaporation or a solvent-based catalyst, but rather by exposure to common ultraviolet rays. This way it's set and ready to go in just 2 minutes, while many others take at least 30. It functions as a preliminary sealant and dries to a non-tacky finish. However, it emits a strong odor. Halfway up our list at number 5. Imported directly from Australia, Timbermate hardwood is a water-based spackle that adds volume to pitted or rotten timber and leaves a fully sandable and paintable finish. Many consumers call it the best they've ever used, which speaks loudly to its consistent quality. Its white color allows for custom tints and it won't dry out in the can, but it absolutely requires a top coat. At number 4, while it's well known as a top-quality metal spackle, MH Ready Patch also happens to be one of the most popular ways to patch damaged trim and window frames. Unfortunately, its rock-hard end result isn't suited to pieces that may expand with heat or moisture. It is one of the most resilient products and has many uses aside from carpentry. However, it's not ideal for outdoor use. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. DAP plastic is a long-time staple of many shops thanks to its nearly unmatched performance in the hands of a skilled woodworker. A little bit of standard paint thinner lets you adjust the product's consistency to fill your specific needs. It makes a great grain filler and acts very much like wood once dry. It's compatible with all types of sealant. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wood fillers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, meant to be applied just underneath a glossy top coat, Crystalac wood grain saturates the open pores of freshly sanded surfaces, increasing the effectiveness of said lacquer. Most notably, it emphasizes the natural texture, bringing stained hardwood to life. It's completely clear once dry and wipes on and trowels off easily. 1 quart goes a long way. And taking the top spot on our list. For as long as it's been around, Abatron woodepox has been the go-to choice for professional woodworkers and contractors. It's often used alongside the brand's liquid hardener to restore volume and integrity to aging structures. It's a 2-part epoxy compound that won't shrink while curing. It smells far better than most others. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wood fillers, or simply click beneath this video.